How to install Power BI Desktop? These are the minimum requirements to install Power BI Desktop. You need to have the Windows version 7, 8, or 8.1, or any of these versions. You can install the Power BI Desktop. And I believe all of you have Windows operating system, not Mac. Okay, if you have Mac operating system, you just we'll discuss that later. Okay, and minimum requirement, your laptop or the system should support 64-bit or the 32-bit, but now 64-bit is very much popular. The next one is the .NET framework needs to be installed, and CPU. This is the CPU requirement, the memory requirement. This is important thing. You need to remember this. The Power BI Desktop is no longer supported on Windows 7. Okay. And the next one is to download this Power BI Desktop. You need to go to this website and we will download it. Since many of you are yet to download this one, I just show you how to do this one. I go to the Google and type download Power BI Desktop. You can do it side by side. The installation, if you have not yet done. Download Power BI Desktop for Windows, and you can see the downloads. Better you can hit this link, because here you can see the Microsoft Power BI Desktop, and here you can see the download Microsoft Power BI. If you click on this link, it will take you directly to the downloadable site, the Power BI downloadable site in Microsoft. And you need to choose the first one, advanced download options. Okay, you can find, if you scroll down, you will find Microsoft Power BI Desktop. And just beneath that, you can see the advanced download options. Okay, rest of the software, you don't have to download it. Okay, and the on-premises, another thing, we will see it later. Okay, and at this moment, you just click on this one, advanced download options. Got it? I just do it one more time. Look here. So once you click on this link, I will share this link in the chat window also. Yes, Shushmita, I just shared the link. Okay, you just, if you have connected the WhatsApp from your browser, so you can click on it. If you click on this, it will take you directly to this website. Or you can just type powerbi.microsoft.com/en-us-forward/downloads/. If you type this and if you press enter, it will bring up this page. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find the advanced download options. You need to just click on this. It will take you to the other page. The next page, you can see that the select language. If you click on the download, you will find various language. We will go by the default English language. You just hit this download button. It will take you to the next page, and here you select the first option. I believe all of you have 64-bit version, not the 32-bit. If you have 32-bit desktop or so, you need to select this one. You need to select, instead of selecting this one, you need to select this one. Okay, but don't download both. It will get confused. You will get confused. I believe most of you have 64-bit. Okay, hence you need to select this one. And the next one is hit this next button. Hit this next button. That's it. Your download will start in a minute. I just go ahead and put it here somewhere, any desk or somewhere here. It will take for a while. You can see that the download being initiated. Let's wait for a moment, few moments, okay? I believe all of you are doing it side by side, except Shaw, okay, and except Shaw and others, okay. Good, it's been done. The download was over. And you can see this Power BI desktop setup underscore x64.exe file. You just double click on it. It'll open up the installation window. You need to have a lot of patience. Okay, don't think it is not working. It'll take some time to load it. And also look here. Now we can see this one. It is prompting for our confirmation. Yes, do you want this to run this file? Yes, run. Click on the run. And then wait for some time. But before you start the installation, better you can check the space availability in your C drive. It is always a good practice whether you install Power BI Desktop or any other software. Make sure that in your C drive at least you have 100 GB space. That's the best practice. At least you need to have 50 to 70 GB free space so that the application will get launched in a pretty fast manner. If a C drive is full and you cannot expect the applications to work pretty fast. Look here, in my case, I hardly have 14 GB because I installed many software in my system. Look here, Microsoft Power BI. In my case, I'm getting some kind of warning here. Cancel, retry, ignore. And here I just say cancel because I already installed this software in my system, the Power BI Desktop. What you can do is, in your case, at at the beginning, it will start check the space available in your C drive. It'll take for a while. You need to wait for some time. After a while, the next button will get enabled. In your screen, you will find the next button, which means after the check has been done, about the space availability check. Okay. Once the Power BI Desktop finds you have the sufficient space in your C drive, the next button will get enabled. You need to hit the next button. It will take you to the next page. In the next page, it will show you the default installation path, C:. Okay, it will show you the default location. Don't make any changes. Simply hit next, next, next until you find the installation was successful message. Okay, once you find the installation was successful message, you hit this finish button. Meanwhile, don't interrupt. All you need to do is hit the next button. Hit the next button until you see the installation was successful. In my case, I interrupted the installation because I have already installed it. In fact, even in my case, I need to upgrade my software because I installed it almost 1.5 months back. Every 1.5 months or 2 months once, you can go to Microsoft website and check any new release of Power BI Desktop is available. You can download and install it so that your Power BI Desktop will be up to date with respect to the version. I believe all of you are doing it side by side. Or else you can watch my video. If you have connected via your mobile phone, you can watch my video and then you, without fail, you can install it tomorrow. Okay, I just did the finish now. And okay, now how do you check whether the Power BI Desktop has been installed or not? You need to go to the start button and then here you just type Power BI Desktop. You'll find the Power BI Desktop here. When you see this icon next to that, you will find the open. Either you can click on open or you can hit this icon, Power BI Desktop. I'm going to hit this now to launch the Power BI Desktop.